Flawed premise number 22. I can criticize successful people and still achieve my own success. Whenever you criticize or push against anything, you hold yourself outside of your vortex. Your own success can only be realized when you are inside your vortex. Flawed premises hold people outside of their vortex of abundance and prevent them from the ease and well-being that they deserve. You cannot criticize yourself to success. You cannot condemn yourself to well-being. The negative emotion you feel in your disappointment, anger, and condemnation is the indication of the opposing thoughts within you. You are opposing your success. You are opposing your abundance. You are opposing your alignment with Source. You are opposing the vortex that holds all that you seek.